Hello everyone, this is the seventh and the last video of our StaadPro lecture series. In this video, we'll have a look at the final results of our building structure. So now let's move on to our StaadPro building structure and go to post-processing mode and click on OK and select beam option. Now select one beam and double click on it and you may appear dialog box like this. So select on concrete design. In this concrete design section, you may see there you can see the reinforcement chart of that respective beam. You may see the stirrups and the size of the stirrups and size of main reinforcement, size of secondary reinforcement, and all the details which we included and whichever the things software calculated, you can see from here. And then let's go to deflection. In here you can see the according to your distance, deflection displacement will be available. When you change this cursor, you can see your distance is changing and the displacement also is changing. From this cursor you can get to know the displacement of different places, and you can see it like this. Here the value is changing, so that is for the selected beam. And here shear bending. So from here you can see shear and the bending moment values according to the distance or according to the distance of the beam. That means whatever the place we are choosing in the beam, they will show the shear force value and bending moment value. You can see all details of that bending moment and shear force in this section. And here loading is available, and here property is available. Whatever the property we have given to it and whatever the things they have calculated is available in this section. And geometry also, it's available, length and everything, whatever things we gave to the software. So we'll close this dialog box and now we'll go to modeling again, and you can see here there's a option called Staad output. So we are going to view the results from here only. So we'll select on it and we'll go to results, and here concrete design is there. So click on it. By clicking that, from beam number 1, so that means for all members they have given all the details very clearly. That means whatever the things we gave, M20, FE415 and lengths and sizes, whatever the things we gave is here, and also whatever the things software calculated also here. For example, beam number 1, they have given whatever the details we have given, and here summary of the reinforcement areas, top reinforcement, bottom reinforcement, and they have given the summary of provide reinforcement. That means according to the required reinforcement, they have calculated provide reinforcement and shear reinforcement and everything. Shear design results at distance D, everything you can clearly get from here. So whatever the thing you need, whatever the calculation, whatever the numerical you need in here, you can get it from this final results thing. So this is you should go by a results section, and you can choose, you have to choose concrete design, and you can see the results by beam, that is member by member. They will show the results whatever they have calculated and whatever they have used to design this structure, and whatever the things we have given to respective beams and columns, it is available in here. So you can have a proper idea of your structure from here. Numerical idea you can get it from here. All the summary is included in here. So this is our structure, and we'll have a final look of our structure in 3D rendered view. 3D rendered view will be available like this. So staircase is here and everything is clearly visible, and this is our final structure of 2-story building. So this is the end of our 2-story building design lecture series. In this lecture In this lecture series, you got to know how to design two-story building structure, how to add properties and assign them, and how to apply load and assign them, and how to define parameters and assign them, and how to view the final results. So this is the end of our lecture series. I hope this lecture series was useful to you, and thank you everyone for watching this lecture series. I am Tusira Pramod Kalupatirana from NIT Rourkela.